Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun summer unboxing, perfect for every special needs mom. Hi moms, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up down below. Alright, so if you've never heard of FabFitFun, it is a fashion and beauty subscription that sends out an amazing box of full-size products every season, or every quarter I should say, and it is just amazing. Every time I get this box, no matter what type of day I am having, I am super excited. If you're interested in trying FabFitFun, I will leave a link in the description below. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Ready, Dylan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this summer box came in this beautiful tropical floral.
And we got this from the post office, from the mailbox.
That's right. Okay, you ready to open it up, Dylan?
Yeah.
Let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. Okay. There you go. Okay, put the magazine down so you can see how it comes. So it comes all wrapped.
Uh-oh.
Whoops. Beautifully packaged. Okay. And we're going to... Okay, Dylan, did you want to open it up?
Yeah, well, you got a card.
Okay, we'll do this. So it came with $80 gift card for HelloFresh.
And let me open it.
It comes with this magazine, which has information about all the products that are inside.
Can I show them?
Sure.
That's an airplane. I love that airplane. You want me to open this?
Sure.
It is.
Okay, all right, so let's talk about what's this. So the first thing we got are some silicone wine glasses. So I don't know if you can see with the light. Let's take it out of the bag. Dylan, you want to take it out? Okay.
Open it?
Slow down, slow down. Yes, you can open it. Ooh, these are pretty. Amazing. I love them. These are great. The perfect color. You don't have to worry about breakage. Very important.
Look, you can squeeze them.
You can squeeze them. All right, Dylan, what's the next product? The next item. Okay, so this is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens.
It's open.
Ooh.
It's open.
Okay, careful. Slow down. We don't want to break it. Okay, there you go. Now you can show them. Okay, let's see. Does it smell good?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. You like it? Oh, it smells fantastic. It has black tea leaf extract and bromelain. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but it smells amazing. And who couldn't use a foot mask? Okay, what's next?
You put it on.
Okay,
your
go ahead.
face.
Go ahead, Dylan. Ooh, okay, so this says spray all day rose spray, facial spray. I love hydrating facial sprays.
I'm gonna open it.
You want to open it? And this is from Stella and Grace. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. Ooh, let's see. It's beautiful color. And let's give it a spray. See if you like it, Dylan. Okay, watch it. I don't want to spray it in your eyes. So my pump's not working. But, oh, here we go. All right. I'm gonna give myself a little spray.
Me too.
You too? Ooh, is that okay? Did I get you in the eye? Sorry. Ooh, but that's very calming.
That's for fun.
That's very calming and soothing. Okay, what's next? Stem cell science. It smooths, exfoliates, and gently sweeps away dull surface cells. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, go ahead. Let's see. Oh, you want to smell it first? You like it? Smells pretty good. Superfine treatment that gently sweeps away dull surface cells. I'm having problems saying that. And especially for oily and dry skin. We will definitely be trying this. Okay, what's next? So this is Generation Clay. I always love a good clay mask. Brightening and
Strawberry yellow.
purple. Okay, brightening and purple it says. Do you want to smell that too? That does smell great. Okay, what else did you get? Oh, okay, these are great. So these are always handy and convenient.
Mama, have one. Can I have one, Mama?
Of course you can. They're invisible. Hold on.
Invisible.
The traceless hair ring. So if you want to open that,
Okay.
do you want to open it?
Yeah, you can put it on your hands if you want.
Yes, you can put it on your hair.
Or your hands.
Or you want to use it as a bracelet?
I'll show you guys.
Okay. Ooh, there you go. Okay.
Put it back.
These are always great to have if you have long hair, right? Okay, what else? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, so this, let's see, let's take it out. It says Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Ooh, we always love a good cleansing oil, right? Let's smell it. Ready?
That's calm.
It's calming, it smells fantastic, and it looks great. Okay, what's next?
It's
This is like the box of endless gifts.
It's salt with the towel.
Okay. So this is the Vicks Paula Hermione
It's not a towel.
towel.
Towel?
Yeah.
You can go, if you have a towel and you want to go to the pool with a towel.
You want So let's see. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Oh, what beautiful colors. I love it. Ooh, it's oh my God, I'm so excited. I always wanted one of these. It's actually like a circular towel. It looks can't really tell.
No, it looks like a tattoo.
Yeah, it's like a mandala. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Towel. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This makes me happy. Okay, this whole box makes me happy. We actually have a nickname for this box. We call it, every time the FabFitFun box comes, we call it the Fun Box.
No,
because whether I give it as a gift or keep it for myself, it's always
or
like a box of fun. Everybody loves
Christmas
it.
too.
Yes, we give it for Christmas, right? Okay, hold on. So these are
Face mask.
rose gold brightening facial treatment masks.
I'll show you how.
Okay, there
Can
you go.
show
I don't
them
know.
how?
Okay, you want to show it to him? Go ahead. Ooh. Okay, so the light's kind of blurring it a little, but let's see if we can give it a close up. And it's made from Harley Street, London.
Excuse me? Do you want to try it on and show them?
I would love to, but I'm not going to try it on right now. Maybe we can do a video with the mask on. Would you like to do that?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. All right, let's see. What else?
Well, that's it.
Oh, that's it. Okay, that's it. All right, so thank you for joining us for this video, and please give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and you can tap the bell to be notified for future videos.
For notifications.
So from both of us, we wanted to wish you a wonderful day. Okay?
And Merry Christmas.
All right.